I don't know how I forgot that one, but it just went on the back burner because I was able to buy a car with my credit card. So that was my biggest thing. That was the last thing for me. Like, oh, I can't believe I used my credit card.
Yes. Yes.
So
Okay.
yeah. So yeah, that
So
was
who do you
top
think this
tier.
program gonna help the most?
Say that one more time. I'm sorry, I
Who
was
do you
talking.
think this program will help the most?
Everybody. It will help everybody because at the end of the day, I mean, there's nobody that it can't help. If you say your credit is already good, well, okay, that's good too. But you might not be still educated on how to keep it good. So
Right.
that way, I think it will still help them if their credit is good because you can get them. You can still make them climb because
Right.
it's things that they might not have implemented in how they got it good. They might have paid off of it, whatever. Now they got a trick to be like, oh, okay, I know what to do now. I just make sure I don't make the same mistakes. But at the same time, if I need that credit, if I need credit remedy, then all I got to do is dial them up. They're going to give me the advice. It's not like they breaking your bank. You're not breaking the bank.
Right.
And it's the stuff that's going to help you in the long run. So why not pay it forward for yourself? Because if you don't pay it forward for yourself, who going to do it? I mean, like I said, we didn't get taught this. I'm 58 years old. I didn't get taught that. I didn't get taught that in school. I didn't get taught that by my parents. I didn't get taught that by my peers. I didn't get taught that by none of that. I got taught that by my niece. Credit remedy. I didn't know nothing about it. I can't even lie. I can't lie. Yes, I got it by you because if you would have never opened that door for me. You hear me always telling people like, hey, y'all better get here. Yeah. They be looking at me like, do you work for her? No, I don't work for her. I don't get no commission. I don't get anything. What I get is my heart smiles because I know that you're headed in the right direction. So my heart smiles. I'm a giver. So my love language is a gift. I give, I give. So this is my gift to the world. Like, look, hey, get out here and get it. Get your you okay?
I was drinking over here. I was like, me scared. I said, I need some water now, chef.
Give my niece some water. But anyway. Yeah, but yes, I need for y'all, all jokes aside, to get y'all credit together because you might have all the money in the world, but why spend your money when you can spend somebody else's money?
Okay, I'm down for that.
My niece taught me that one, and if somebody else is not saying you going to a dude or you going to a girl and spending their money, no, it's still under you, but at the end of the day, you're doing it wisely. And you ain't just spending cash and not getting nothing out of that cash other than what you bought.
Okay. What would you say to someone who is thinking about joining Credit Remedy but they're unsure?
Okay. Dust yourself off.
Okay.
And go on and do what you need to do. Because know at the end of the day, you need help. So why keep sitting there, I'm going to pay this, and then you 10 years that went by and your credit's still jacked up. In them 10 years, what could you have done to make sure that you was good and comfortable, not just for you, but for your family too, like your kids, your grandkids, your great-grandkids. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to set it up for my great-grandkids. I push my kids to it, so they already hit it. My daughters, my sons, they headed to it. They all heading in the right direction. Yes, it was pulling teeth. It was definitely pulling teeth. But guess what? They're heading there now. And I'm so proud. And they joined on deck with Credit Remedy. And like I said, they used to do what everybody else was. We'll do it. I'm like, this is for my grandson was born. He's 10 now. When we gonna do it? We need to make sure we doing this. We doing this because at the end of the day, y'all setting the road for them. So if they don't see you doing it, how they gonna do it? It's called breaking the generation curse. And people say that's not a true thing, but it really is. Because when I say, I'm not talking about like demonic, we in here voodoo, and that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is breaking the curse or making the same mistakes that your ancestors made. Because they wasn't educated on doing the right things that make sure that they can move forward. They didn't have it back then. But we got it now. We got it right now. You know, they always said this is a true thing. And I'm not racist at all. I promise you, I'm not racist at all. But what they do say is, if you want to become a millionaire, they put the answers in a book. And they say most black people don't read. So guess who get that millionaire? I ain't saying nothing, but you can read between the lines.
Right.